LifeWyfCaityB, and I'm back with another video cover. It's Samoan song. I'm gonna post an English one too. So this is a Samoan cover, I guess, and I'm not really good at Samoan, so sorry if I say the wrong lyrics or something. I'm really trying my best. But comment below if you guys want me to do any covers, and if it's in my record range, I'll definitely post it for you guys. And I should be getting to do another cover that one of my girls, Selena, suggested for me, and another one of my girls, Frida, suggested a lot of suggestions. I don't know, I just feel like my voice is never like ready, I was like, so I'm gonna be singing Naumati Lagona by somebody. For the 6th time, let's start this again. Naumati Lagona mamau for ilo ainga to ane ai sa ona for ilewaina mafana le mafutanga maoele tausala fainga tamea uma uangotole paa Via false falele mo oe Talo fere io se camo tatoe Ai se ana etu ai se tasi Bongi sa mea uma Bongi sa mea umele masi asi I say ana etu ai se tasi Bongi sa mea uma Bongi sa mea umele masi asi Noa imana tua tamafana Lilo ilelo to ese lauanganga Ita ewa maomana tuatu Ele afaina etata pealo fatu E ono sai foi peasi oni tangata Faamanga lolitu ena naone mata Oh, I sang it wrong. I say ana etu ai se tasi Bongi sa mea uma Bongi sa mea uma ile masi asi I say ana etu ai se tasi Bongi sa mea uma Bongi sa mea uma ele masi asi Before this outro goes on for like 5 hours, I hope you guys enjoyed this cover. I know I didn't sing some of the parts right, and the part where I said I sang it wrong, I'm sure I sang it wrong. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cover. I hope you guys sang along with me. It's a different side to me. I'm expressing my culture a little bit more with the singing, and also I'm finally learning how to sing some of the Samoan songs. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because I know you're watching but not subscribing and I just lost my voice. But thank you guys for watching and love you all. Pascalima! For ilo That's me! Did I just say that? We're just gonna go back. And I'm back with the cover again because I failed the last one and my battery died. I had to change the battery and let's get back to the cover. I almost got it, man. I almost got it, man. I was saying the whole song and I just had to freak it out, man. I had to fag it out. I should know the song off by heart now with all these mistakes.